Hi everyone, today I'm going to be giving you an in-depth look into our brand new product, the Fernco Flood Bag, and it's part of our new range of products in the Fernco Flood Protection product category. We've partnered with EDS to help deliver an alternative to the traditional sandbag. We're all aware that sandbags require time-consuming manual filling, take up lots of space in a builder's merchant, they're not that effective in floods, and there's never enough to go around when a flood occurs. During use, traditional sandbags will deteriorate and split over time and allow water to seep through, whilst also leaving sand to get washed down drains, with the potential to clog up that drainage system. EDS have developed a polymer-based product which, when absorbed in water, creates a barrier against flooding. Flood bags are pre-filled and only require 3 to 5 minutes being saturated in water, and they are ready to deploy as the super absorbent polymer inside absorbs the water to create a taut, mess-free flood bag. Due to their bulky structure, traditional sandbags take up a lot of space and would need to be stored in a garage or a shed to remain dry. However, the Fernco flood bags are vacuum packed for storage longevity and are flat packed, so you can store them simply in a cupboard, under the stairs, or on a shelf with minimal space required. So, not only do flood bags store and perform better than traditional sandbags, we believe their major benefit is seen in the logistics. Our partnership with EDS means that we can help effectively distribute the flood bag across our builders merchant network, providing more availability to the local communities that would be in danger from flooding. With 500 flood bags available on a single pallet, ready to deploy and protect up to 100 homes, while only 50 to 60 sandbags would be available per pallet, with the potential to only protect 10 to 12 homes. And if small domestic collection is required, Fernco flood bags can be easily placed in the boot of a car without leaving a mess. When purchasing from a merchant, traditional sandbags are sent as bulk sand and separate bags, or the merchant needs to spend time filling and palletising sandbags. Either way, flood bags provide a huge benefit when it comes to a single bulk delivery payload. Fernco flood bags can stay in place for up to 3 months, long after a flood event has cleared, and at the end of their life, the used bags can simply be disposed of in general waste at home or at your local recycling centre. For more information about Fernco flood bags and other flood prevention products, search Fernco Flood Protection.